Stop scrolling! This 10-minute garlic shrimp broccoli stir-fry is about to become your family's new favorite dinner.
First, cut the fresh broccoli into bite-sized florets.
Next, make the sauce by combining minced garlic, salt, seasoning, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a little water. Whisk everything together until smooth.
Add a little oil and salt to boiling water, then blanch the broccoli and mushrooms for just 1 minute. This keeps them bright, fresh, and vibrant.
Cook the shrimp in a hot wok until they turn perfectly pink and juicy. Now add the vegetables, pour in the flavorful sauce, and stir fry over high heat until everything is hot, glossy, and
Oh my gosh, this is
coated.
absolutely amazing. It's packed with flavor and comes together in just minutes. For more quick and delicious recipes like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button.